Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you 10 ways to save money around the house. I did a video a few weeks ago on 10 ways to save money. So this week I'm telling you how to save money around the house. Okay, so first thing is, it's relatively, goes without saying, turn out the lights when you're not using them. But it's scary how many people don't do this. Now, at my house, we do have to leave the bathroom light on the majority of the time because the cats are, without one light on in the house, the cats go crazy. And we don't know why. But they do. Okay, number 2 is hang dry your clothes. For me, I do this anyway. Most of my stuff is hang dry, so I have to do it anyway. But then there are a few, especially in the summer, I just like to line dry my clothes. There's no point in using a dryer if it's sunny and it's hot outside. Okay, number 3 is repair what needs repaired. And I know most people go forever without fixing it. Like, I think the only thing in our house that broke that we actually fixed immediately was the air conditioner. Because it broke in the summer and we would have freaking burned up if we didn't fix it. Just because the way our house is built, there's no way for air to circulate even with the windows open. Okay, number 4 is maintain your home. And this kind of goes back onto the other one. If it needs repaired, repair it, and then after that, maintain it. Keep up with it. It actually does save money if you keep up with routine maintenance on your home. Number 5 is better light bulbs. And I don't know about you, but our electric company, every so often, they put the LEDs on sale really cheap. Sometimes you can get them for free. I don't think they've done that in a while though. They did that when the LEDs got really popular originally, but check with your electric company. Sometimes they'll have deals on getting LEDs, or there's another kind now, I don't know what it is. But they do save money over time because you're not replacing them because they don't burn out as much. And they don't heat your home either because they don't heat up like the old light bulbs do. Okay, insulate your home. My grandparents' house is horrible about this. They never really insulated when they built the house, so it lets in way too much air or lets out way too much air depending on the season. So, and you can save money on your bills if you just insulate, because you're using more heat in the winter if you're letting cold air in, and vice versa. Watch your windows or use solar power. When I say watch your windows, I mean, like, instead of using light bulbs and lamps and all that, use your windows. My room actually does not have a light in the ceiling, so I have to use my lamps. But in the summer, or when it's really sunny, I'll just open up the curtains. And I usually do this in the summer because in the winter, if I pull back the curtains, since the window freezes on the inside, it lets too much cold air in. So I have to, but in the summer I do open the curtains quite a lot, and that helps light up my room enough so where I don't have to use lights all the time. Number 8 is unplug when you're not using. And I never really thought about this, but we were talking, one of the women I do Zumba with, every time they're not using something, they unplug it. Their TV. Now, I understand the toaster and the slow cooker and all that stuff, but they go as far as unplugging their stove and their washer and their dryer. I never, I guess because it seems like we're constantly using the washer and the dryer because we've constantly got a load of laundry going that I don't think about this. But I use a surge protector for my laptop and my computer and my TV. So most of the time, I do turn off the surge protector, which turns off the TV. So the power is not being used. But it does save money if you're not going to use the electricity anyway. Why even have it plugged in? Kind of goes into turning off the lights. If you're not using the light, turn it off. Set your thermostat. Nowadays, most of them are, you can program them for certain times of day. It gets warmer or colder in the house. We do this so for in the afternoon, since most of us aren't in the house or my parents are asleep, that the thermostat goes down to like 60, 66, 65. And then when, like an hour before people start getting home, it's set to start going up again, and it shuts off at 73. And it does save money if you're not heating. Don't heat the home when nobody's in it. There's no point in paying for heat. Well, I guess technically it's electric. Paying for electric if you're heating the house when you don't need to be. Okay, and the 10th and final thing is saving water. And this has become really big over the last few years. We always did it because, especially at my grandpa's house, because they had a cistern, and they still do, so it's just something we do. You just automatically turn off the water when you're not using it. Make sure the water's not dripping. Even though at their house, the water always seems to be dripping. But you find goofy little ways to save water. And here we do it too. I went over to my friend's house once and was hanging out and helping her with her kids. And while she was doing dishes, she had the water running the entire time. It's like, no. Thinking, how do you do that? That would drive me insane. The way I see it, if you're not rinsing off a dish, then why do you even have the water on? And now most dishwashers have water saving things on them. We always use that anyway. Well, we did when the dishwasher we had was broke. We don't have a dishwasher anymore because one broke. But find goofy little ways to save water. And it'll save you money. And we have a pool. So my dad bitches the majority of the time about how much money it costs in water to fill the thing up in the summer when you have to fill it up, if you have to. And if you get a pool, I'm not saying everybody does this, but most fire departments will come fill up your pool for you. I'm not saying they all do it, but check with them and see if they will. Because it's easier for them to get water back on the truck because they don't have to pay for it than if you have to pay your water bill, because that's going to be expensive. Ask before you do. I don't know. I know some of them do it. I don't know if they do it anymore because my dad never tried. We just filled it up and then he went on about how much water he wasted and how much the bill was. I know when my grandpa got his pool built in, the fire department came and filled it up for him. But he had friends in the department too, so yeah, it's a little bit different. That's it. 10 ways to save money around your home. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. If you like videos like these, totally let me know, and I'll do some more like it. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Yay. Everybody saw it. It tried to kill me. Okay, then now I'm a little frazzled. It's like, nope, I'm done. Okay,